Okay, class, this is our second video. I'm not, a pro on this, so I'm trying my best to give you the information you need. And probably with the video, you guys can understand much better the process, okay? So last time I showed you how to get here to Classzone. Here are the 3 books. Remember that the orange one is for Spanish 1, the yellow one is for Spanish 2, and the purple one is for Avancemos 3 or Spanish 3. Okay, I'm going to do this time, this session with Spanish 2. All right, so here we have the same page. Okay, Avancemos Nivel 2 is what it says here. I'm going to go to Home Tutor, and this is the page that we are going to work on. All right, so here we are. We're going to write our name. All right, and we are going to select the level. Okay, very important to do those 2 steps, otherwise you're not going to be able to move forward. Here I'm going to take level B this time. Okay, and it says to select Unidad o lección preliminar. So we did lección preliminar last time. This time is going to be for Unidad 1. Okay, when you click here on Unidad 1, you will see, as we've been seeing in class, that we have lección 1 and lección 2, and also has repaso inclusivo. Of course, we are going to start with Unidad 1, lección 1. When you click here, look all the different aspects you have to work on. Of course, we're going to take it little by little. We're not going to do this all at once. So we always going to start with a vocabulary, and you will have the opportunity to see this vocabulary as we had it in class with a video. Okay, and here are the instructions of this video. And then read the instructions, of course, very important. And here's the video. Once you click on the video, right, it pops, and you're going to be able to watch the video. All right. So once you finish watching the video, see that it has the vocabulary included, you have a question to answer based on the video. Here says presentación video, question 1, video 1, and here you have the number 1 in white. So you guys are going to answer the question, all right? And don't forget that you have to go over here and click answer to check your answer. Right here I have the answer correct, okay? And I need to go to number 2 activity. There's a video that I'm going to watch according to question number 2. That is exactly the same with 3, okay, 4, 5, and 6. Remember, we have to do all activities that we have labeled right here on the bottom, because when we finish, after each of them, we have to click answer. Then we are going to go to session report, where you are going to see your responses, okay? But we're not going to go there yet, okay? We finished already with presentación video for level 2. Level 1 has exactly the same. I just want to let you know, as I did in the PowerPoint, that level 3 doesn't have this session for the video, but they do have the flashcards and they have the práctica, okay? And we are going to focus today on their vocabulario only, all right? So let's just go to show you quickly the flashcards. Okay, the same as we did last time. Here you have the flashcards. You can also look over here and see reshuffle, remove, restart, the options. You have here the audio, okay? La agencia de viajes. And that way you will see how to pronounce these words. Okay, you can go to the next one and click El agente de viajes. Right, that way you can. La agente de viajes. Muy bien. And you can see all the different flashcards, okay? That way you will be familiar with what kind of words you are going to use in the práctica. So let's go to práctica, okay? Here it says that under practica, says we are going to review the vocabulary. We are going to follow the activities, complete them. And it says there's an image with a magnifying glass. You can use it to enlarge the view. Check your answers when you finish. All right, that's exactly what I did tell you last time. So here again, we have the pencil. That means that you have to match and look for the best answer. For practica, notice that we have 5 different activities. You need to go one by one. Once you finish number 1, you go here and click answer. Notice that there's some things that are popping out. It's basically your instructions you have to follow in order to know what to do here. Roll over any circle to get the pencil cursor. So please read everything that gets access to you here, okay? Then you go to answer, as I said, click and check of, how many are correct or wrong. You can try again and fix it. Here we have activity number 2. Remember that if you need any of these special features, you can click on them and use them. Here have number 3, true or false, number 4, fill in the blanks, or complete the answers, and number 5. Okay, now some of you, I know my level 2 specifically, and probably some of my level 3, you would say, Ms. Nader, I don't know what the instructions are saying because they're in Spanish, so I don't know what to do. Here you are. Right here it says Inglés, Español. Click on English. Oh, voila. The instructions now are in English. Complete the paragraph with the missing words. Oh, now you know what to do. If you want to challenge yourself, keep them in Spanish. Completa el párrafo con las palabras que faltan. But again, that is right here on the bottom, Inglés, Español. You can switch only for the instructions, okay? And this is for Spanish 2 and 3. Unfortunately, I have to check on my Spanish 1 if that is also an option for you guys, okay? Even though I know for sure that the instructions in Spanish 1 are all in English, okay? It's just the activities that are in Spanish. All right, so once you finish all 5 different activities, remember that you are going to go here under session report and you are going to see all of your answers. Okay, here I just have only one activity from the vocabulary because that was the only one I did. But remember, you have many others activities included that you guys have to go over and do, okay? And that will be for vocabulario video, vocabulario práctica. My level 3 is a little different because they don't have the video. They have the vocabulario práctica, and also they have to do some other activities. I think is gramática. So here you see that in the session summary, if you have this in blank, it's probably because it's not included in your unit or your lesson, or you haven't done it yet, okay? And again, here at the bottom, okay, we have the envelope for you to send and submit your work, okay? I hope this video will help you with the process of doing the activities from Unidad 1, leccion 1 that goes this week for you guys, okay? If you have any questions, email me or send the message through Remind, and I will be gladly answering any of your questions, okay? Hopefully this will help, and I'll see you next time. Hasta luego.